This is all you have to do. I think people take meditation so deep and so far that you don't do it, and then you don't manifest anything, and you think, I just can't do it, it's too long. I got to do 30 minutes because y'all looking at these people in the books with yoga poses and all that, and all that kind. I don't have time for all that. All right? So you don't have to do that. It doesn't have to be that deep. Meditating that law a day, you do that when you wake up and when you go to bed. Sit up for a second. I'm going to give you a meditation exercise because some of you say, I can't meditate, I fall asleep. I try it. Every time I do it, I go back to sleep and things just come to my mind and that kind of thing, okay? So this, I'm going to go through it with you so you know what to do when you get home. Now, I do this in the bed. Some people say they can't meditate in the bed because they go back to sleep. I've trained my body to not fall asleep. I have to be like really, really, really tired to fall back to sleep. Most of the time I don't. Like 90% of the time I don't. It have to be like I've been up all night or something, or just travel, then I may fall asleep. But I don't. So you can meditate in the bed. So if you can't, then get up and sit up, okay? But sit up real straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in 3 times. Breathe in 1. Breathe in from your stomach. Breathe in all the way from your stomach. Breathe in 1 and blow out through your mouth. Breathe in again 2. Blow out through your mouth. Breathe in 3. Blow out through your mouth. Say this real soft and say, be still and know that I am God. Say it again, be still and know that I am God. Say it again, be still and know that I am God. And now the next thing I want you to do is, I'm going to be quiet for a second. I want you to imagine something that has already happened in your life that you're grateful for. Something that you're grateful for. Something that happened, an incident, something that was really awesome time for you, something that happened just recently, something that happened for you that you're really grateful for. Imagine it. Just see that incident in your mind. Close your eyes and see it for a few minutes. All right. Okay. Now, I want you to imagine, this is the part 2 one now, I want you to imagine something great for somebody else. If you have a child and you want them to succeed, you want them, a child that has a big goal they want to accomplish, a friend who wants something, imagine something, get outside yourself and imagine something being good for somebody else. Not yourself, somebody else. Something that you want to happen for somebody else really good. They're believing for something, you just want it to happen for them. All right? Okay? Now, the next thing I want you to do is I want you now to imagine the biggest goal that you have that you want manifested. Biggest goal. Maybe it's your book. You want your book to be done. Don't just imagine, if you want your book to be done, don't just imagine your book done, but imagine a crowd of people standing in a line to buy your book. Okay? So imagine the end result. If you have a book. If you have something you sell, imagine people lining up to buy the product that you are selling. You have something in a store, imagine the store being full of people and crowded. Maybe you're in real estate, you sell houses. Imagine selling a big house and somebody handing you a commission check with a certain amount on it. Imagine that happening. If you want to do the biggest goal you have is to travel, imagine yourself, if you're at the Eiffel Tower, you're looking up at it and you're like, oh my God, I'm here, I'm at the Eiffel Tower. I finally made it to Paris. Okay? The Taj Mahal. Just help me so you understand. Imagine yourself right there. All right? Open your eyes. Okay? Now, most of you, could you do it? Could you do all 3 of it? Okay. How long did that take? 5 minutes? Exactly. This is all you have to do. I think people take meditation so deep and so far that you don't do it, and then you don't manifest anything, and you think, I just can't do it, it's too long, I got to do 30 minutes, because y'all looking at these people in the books with yoga poses and all that, all that kind. I don't have time for all that, all right? So you don't have to do that. It doesn't have to be that deep. Meditating that law a day, you do that when you wake up and when you go to bed. And that's what I meditate on. I meditate first on something I'm grateful for because it takes my mind to gratitude and it lets me know that I can achieve because I already have. Something already has happened, so that puts you in a believing state. That I'm grateful for this. It already happened. I'm already had something that manifested. Something already did happen. So that puts you in a whole different state. You're in a place of, yes, it can happen. Then number 2, I get outside of myself, so I'm not always thinking about myself. So I meditate on my kids. I meditate what I want to happen for Ryan, Ariana, and my husband. So I put their goals in my mind's eye. So I see Ryan always, every morning I meditate on him making a blockbuster movie. I meditate on Ariana having a big check from her, commission check from her stores being sent to her. Then I meditate on my husband. He's working on a book now. I meditate on his book being done and going around the world. Then after that, then I go to me and I meditate on my biggest goal. And what I do is every single day, day and night. And then the goal that I meditate on, once it comes to pass, and I just change the goal. So I meditate on different things and it comes to pass. All right? So that's how simple it is. So give yourself a hand because you can meditate.